Ultrasonic sensor. This sensor uses sound waves to measure the distance to an object. It has 4 pins. VCC connected to the 5V pin on the Arduino. Trigger connected to a digital pin on the Arduino, in this case likely pin 12. This pin ends out a short pulse to trigger the sensor. Echo connected to another digital pin on the Arduino, in this case likely pin 30. This pin receives the reflected sound wave from the sensor. GND connected to the GND pin on the Arduino. Arduino Uno is the microcontroller that processes the data from the sensor and potentially performs other action based on the distance measurement.
Process. Trigger pulse. The Arduino sends a short pulse to trigger the pin. This triggers the sensor to emit a sound wave. Sound travel. The emitted sound wave travels outwards from the sensor. Reflection. When the sound wave encounters an object, it is reflected back towards the sensor. Echo detection. The sensor detects the returning sound waves and sends a signal to the echo pin. Distance calculation. The Arduino measures the time it took for the sound wave to travel to the object and back. Knowing the speed of the sound, the Arduino can calculate the distance to the object.
So, the next is ultrasonic sensor with breadboard. Same lang sila nung example 1. Ang pinagkaiba lang nila is may breadboard yung example 2. Then, yung example 1 naman is wala. Ito yung code. Const int trigger pin is equals to 9. Const int echo pin is equals to 10. Yung 9 at 10 dito is yun yung nakasaksak sa Arduino na pin. Float duration and distance. Void setup, pin mode, trigger pin, output, pin mode, echo pin, input. Then yung sa serial begin naman nila is 9,600. Then sa loop is digital write, trigger pin, low. Yung delay niya is 2. The next is digital write, trigger pin, high. Yung delay naman niya is 10. Digital write, trigger pin, low. The duration is equals to pulse line, echo pin, high. Distance equals to duration times 0343 divide 2. Serial print, distance. Then yung serial that print line naman niya is distance. Delay is 100.
So, kaya low yung nasa trigger pin kasi ayun yung pag malapit yung object, ayun yung madedetect niya. Pag naman high is pag malayo yung object, yun yung madedetect niya. So, bali, depende na lang kung gaano kalapit o kalayo yung bagay na ilalapit mo dun sa ultrasonic. Tapos, dito siya lalabas, yung serial pin niya, dito lalabas kung gaano kalayo o kalapit yung object na nadedetect niya. So, the last one is ultrasonic sensor with buzzer and LED lights. So, yung 3 bulbs is nakakonect siya sa 5. And then, yung yellow is nakakonect siya sa 4. Yung 3 is nakakonect sa green. Then, yung buzzer is nakakonect siya sa 8. And yung nakakonect siya sa negative. Then, yung ultrasonic sensor, yung VCC is nakakonect siya sa 5 volts. Yung trigger is nakakonect siya sa 7. And then, yung echo is nakakonect sa 6. And then, yung GND is nakakonect siya sa GND.
So, next naman, so ipapaliwanag ko sa inyo kung paano siya mag-works and how the code will works. So, first, makikita niyo dito ang digital write, trigger pin low, delay natin ng microseconds ng 2, digital write, trigger pin high, delay ng microseconds ng 10, digital write, trigger pin low, and duration natin ang pulse, echo pin high, and then yung itong distance equals to duration times 0.034 divided by 2, yun yung equation para ma-detect niya yung sound, yung pinaka-distance natin. Next is, if distance is less than or equal to 5, ang iilaw sa kanya is color red. And may tunog siya. Yung sa buzzer natin, meron siyang tone, speaker 1, 2,100. Next, else if distance is less than or equal to 10, ang iilaw naman sa kanya is yellow. And then, else if distance is less than or equal to 15, ang iilaw naman sa kanya is green. And if wala siyang ma-detect, walang iilaw na bulbs para sa kanya. So, ito siya paano mag-work. Pag red yung umilaw, tutunog din yung buzzer, ang yellow din, tutunog din yung buzzer. Pero pag na-detect niya is napakalayo sa 15, ang di tutunog yung buzzer pero iilaw yung color.